23. Living as a monk. So, at the age of 29, Siddhartha began the homeless life of a monk. From Kapilavatthu, he walked south to the city of Rajagaha, the capital of the Magadha country. The king of this country was named Bimbisara. The morning after Siddhartha arrived, he went to the city and obtained his meal for the day by begging. 24. Compassion for an injured lamb. After his meal, Siddhartha decided to go to the mountains where many hermits and sages lived. On the way there, he came across a flock of sheep. Shepherds were driving the herd to Rajagaha to be sacrificed in a fire ceremony. One little lamb was injured. Out of compassion, Siddhartha picked up the lamb and followed the shepherds back to the city. 25. Stopping an animal sacrifice. In the city, the fire was burning on the altar, and King Bimbisara and a group of priests were chanting hymns. They all worshipped fire. When the leader of the fire worshippers lifted his sword to kill the first sheep, Siddhartha quickly stopped him. He asked the king not to let the worshippers destroy the lives of the poor animals. Then Siddhartha turned to the worshippers and told them, "Life is extremely precious. All living creatures want to live, just like people." 26. Whoever sows suffering reaps the same fruits. He continued, "If people expect mercy, they should show mercy. By the law of cause and effect, karma, those who kill others will, in turn, be killed. If we expect happiness in the future, we must not harm any creatures. Whoever sows suffering will reap the same fruits." This speech completely changed the king's mind and the minds of the fire worshippers. He stopped the killing ceremony and invited Siddhartha to stay and teach his people, but Siddhartha declined, as he had not yet found the truth he was seeking. 27. Siddhartha with Alara Kalama. After Siddhartha left Rajagaha, he went to see a sage, wise person named Alara Kalama. He stayed with the sage and studied diligently. Soon, he knew as much as his teacher. But although he had learned how to make his mind very calm, he still did not know the way to freedom from all suffering. So he thanked Alara Kalama and left to find another teacher. 28. In search of the truth. Siddhartha then studied with a sage named Uddaka Ramaputta. He learned how to make his mind very still and empty of all thoughts and emotions. But he still did not understand the mystery of life and death, and did not find the complete freedom from suffering that he saw. Again, Siddhartha thanked his teacher and left, but this time, he decided to find the ultimate truth by his own wisdom and effort.